Bubbled eggs versus omelets, a dietary standoff. Eggs are a dietary powerhouse, offering a wealth of protein, vitamins, and minerals that make them a staple in many diets. However, when it comes to preparation, the choices can seem overwhelming. Two popular options are boiled eggs and omelets, each with its own unique nutritional profile and culinary versatility. This article delves into the nutritional benefits, preparation methods, and dietary considerations of both boiled eggs and omelets, helping you make an informed choice based on your health goals and preferences. Boiled eggs, simplicity and nutrition. Boiled eggs are a classic choice for many, and for good reason. They are incredibly easy to prepare, requiring minimal effort and time. This simplicity translates into several dietary benefits, making boiled eggs a go-to option for those seeking a quick, nutritious meal. 1. Nutrient retention. One of the most significant advantages of boiled eggs is their ability to retain a large portion of their essential nutrients. Eggs are rich in vitamins A, B12, and D, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Boiling eggs helps preserve these nutrients, ensuring that you get the maximum nutritional benefit with each bite. Number 2. High protein, low calories. Boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle building, tissue repair, and overall body function. A single large boiled egg contains about 6 grams of protein and only 70 to 80 calories, making it an ideal choice for those looking to manage their weight or build muscle. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Egg yolks are particularly rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to promote eye health. These antioxidants may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss in older adults. By consuming boiled eggs, you can easily incorporate these beneficial compounds into your diet. 4. Convenience. The simplicity of preparing boiled eggs makes them a convenient option for busy individuals. Whether you need a quick snack, a protein-packed addition to your salad, or a component of your breakfast bowl, boiled eggs can be prepared in advance and stored for several days, making them a practical choice for meal prepping. Omelets, versatility and customization. Omelets, on the other hand, offer a canvas for culinary creativity. Their versatility allows for endless customization based on individual dietary needs and preferences. This flexibility makes omelets a popular choice for those who enjoy experimenting with flavors and textures in the kitchen. 1. Flavor and texture omelets provide a wider range of flavors and textures compared to boiled eggs. They can be filled with a variety of ingredients, including vegetables, cheese, herbs, and spices, creating a more exciting and satisfying culinary experience. This variety can make omelets a more appealing option for those who enjoy diverse and flavorful meals. 2. Vegetarian options. For vegetarians, omelets can be a significant source of protein and essential nutrients. By incorporating plant-based ingredients like spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, and bell peppers, you can create a nutrient-dense meal that supports a vegetarian diet. Adding cheese or plant-based protein sources like tofu can further enhance the protein content of your omelet. 3. Dietary versatility. The nutritional profile of an omelet largely depends on the ingredients used. While adding high-fat ingredients like cheese and bacon can increase the calorie and saturated fat content, incorporating lean protein sources, vegetables, and healthy fats can make omelets a balanced and nutritious meal. This versatility allows you to tailor your omelet to meet specific dietary goals, whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply enjoy a healthy meal. Choosing the best option. The better choice between boiled eggs and omelets ultimately depends on your individual dietary goals and preferences. Here are some factors to consider when deciding which option is best for you. 1. Simplicity and convenience. If you prioritize simplicity and convenience, boiled eggs are an excellent choice. They require minimal preparation time and can be easily incorporated into various meals. Boiled eggs are also a great option for those who need a quick, portable snack or a protein boost on the go. 2. Variety and flavor. If you enjoy variety and flavor in your meals, omelets may be the better option. The ability to customize omelets with different ingredients allows you to create a wide range of flavors and textures, making each meal unique and enjoyable. Omelets can also be a great way to incorporate more vegetables and other nutrient-dense foods into your diet. 3. Calorie considerations. For those on a calorie-restricted diet, boiled eggs typically offer a lower calorie option compared to omelets. However, by carefully selecting the ingredients used in your omelet, you can create a low-calorie, nutrient-dense meal that aligns with your dietary goals. 4. Vegetarian and flavor preferences. If you follow a vegetarian diet or simply enjoy a wider range of flavors, omelets can be a significant source of protein and essential nutrients. By incorporating plant-based ingredients and experimenting with different flavor combinations, you can create a satisfying and nutritious meal that meets your dietary needs. Key considerations. When choosing between boiled eggs and omelets, there are several important factors to keep in mind to ensure you're making the healthiest choice possible. 1. Egg quality. Regardless of how you prepare your eggs, it's essential to choose high-quality eggs from reputable sources. Look for eggs that are free-range, organic, or enriched with omega-3 fatty acids to ensure you're getting the best nutritional value. 2. Cooking methods. The way you cook your eggs can significantly impact their nutritional profile. For boiled eggs, avoid overcooking, as this can lead to a loss of nutrients and a less desirable texture. For omelets, use minimal oil or cooking spray to reduce fat content and opt for healthier cooking methods like baking or using a non-stick pan. 3. Ingredient choices. When making omelets, prioritize nutrient-dense ingredients like vegetables, lean protein sources, and low-fat cheese. Avoid high-fat, high-calorie additions like bacon, sausage, and excessive amounts of cheese, as these can quickly turn a healthy meal into a calorie-dense one. Conclusion. Both boiled eggs and omelets can be part of a healthy, balanced diet. The key is to choose the option that best aligns with your dietary goals and preferences. By understanding the nutritional benefits and limitations of each, you can make informed decisions that support your overall health and well-being. Boiled eggs. Pros: high in protein, low in calories, rich in antioxidants, and easy to prepare. Cons: limited flavor and texture options compared to omelets. Omelets. Pros: highly customizable, versatile, and can be packed with a variety of nutrients. Cons: can be higher in calories and fat depending on the ingredients used. Ultimately, the choice between boiled eggs and omelets comes down to your personal preferences and dietary needs. Both options offer significant nutritional benefits, providing a rich source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. By making thoughtful choices about ingredients and cooking methods, you can enjoy both boiled eggs and omelets as part of a healthy and varied diet. Eggs, whether boiled or prepared as an omelet, are a versatile and nutritious food that can be enjoyed in many ways. By understanding the unique benefits of each preparation method, you can make choices that align with your health goals and culinary preferences. Whether you prefer the simplicity of boiled eggs or the creativity of omelets, both options can be part of a balanced diet that supports your overall well-being. So, the next time you're faced with the choice between boiled eggs and omelets, consider your dietary needs, experiment with different ingredients, and enjoy the delicious and nutritious possibilities that eggs have to offer.